Health Learn Global Institute has called for a partnership with Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, MAAUN Kano, to promote e-learning. The executive director of the institute, Dr. Marshall Thomas, made the call when he paid a courtesy call on the founder and chairman governing council of the university, Professor Abacha Gorzo, in his Nigerian office, Kano, on Friday, the 14th of July, 2023. Our main aim of visiting Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria is to extend a collaborative proposal with the university, he said. Dr. Thomas, who was in company of the Executive Director, African Institute of Development Professionals, IDEPRO Africa, Dr. Mansour Muhammad Tukur, told Professor Gorzo that the partnership, when it becomes operational, will allow all medical and health sciences students to enroll in free short professional courses and an online learning management system. The IDEPRO Health Learn partnership wishes to allow all MAAUN medical and health science students to enroll in free short professional courses hosted on an online learning management system LMS created by the partnership, he said. He said the partnership will enable the students to acquire knowledge of global best practices in their professions to use international standard protocol for quality service delivery after their graduation. He disclosed that he had paid similar visit to Kano State Primary Healthcare Management Board, PHCMB, where he held a meeting with the management of the board on how to join hands with the board in training healthcare workers with online courses using a smartphone. This will provide technical resources for mobile optimized online courses, which can be accessed on Health Learn websites www.healthlearn.org, Dr. Thomas said. Responding, Professor Gorzo thanked the team for the visit and expressed their readiness of the university to collaborate with the institute to promote research and innovation for academic excellence.